Let's imagine if you wake up at the 2045, the things are very messy and you can't survive with the related skills. But the which is the top three jobs which can save your life in the current futuristic things which I going to explain now. And you must know this and you can survive there. And what are the three top skills and three futuristic jobs in the upcoming future? And this is the futuristic jobs which can you survive there. You cannot be related to the skills, you cannot be there. Okay, let's get into the video. You are new here, my name is Ram, and let's get into the video, which is the first one you have to understand. You cannot be create the futuristic jobs here, but the futuristic jobs which can be the these three topics only, and we will cover this. And what are the three topic skills means we have to understand the one thing. You have to solve the plenty of problems, you have to solve the related to the real world problems, and you have to solve the physical problems, and it should be the relevant to the world, not like that. We are discussing the video. Let's get start our first job, which is the AI assistance architectures. And AI architecture, which is the we cannot tell the who are using the AI and generating the things. They are not the AI architectures who are building the systems, who are deals with the systems, and who are deals with the computer science, and who are building the LLMs and the large language models integrating with the like the chat GPTs and cloud and Gemini, and what are the plenty of AI tools we have, the SASE apps or SASU websites which is built by the engineers. We call them the AI architectures. What is the futuristic skills to learn, which is the skills you have to know the machine learning and deep learning, the neural networks, and the things or problem solving, and the Python. And we can go that deep if we have the plenty of things. And you have to be the choosing the career, and you must know this, which is the you have to solve the problems to the relevant to the realistic life, and you have to solve the plenty of problems there. And which is going to be the we have the AI in the this year or anywhere in the world, but you can generate the code, and you have to bug, which is the debugging, and the someone comes to you and you have to build the apps, and you have to build the apps. You can directly build the apps, and you have to directly build the websites, but the user asks you, which is I want the change here. You can change there. It is the thing you can survive there, but you cannot means you can't. You have to build like that means you have to cover the basics of that, and you have to relevant it to the things. And after that we have the human enhancement engineer, which is the human enhancement engineer. It is a very frictional word, not anymore, but you have to be the relevant to the world which is existing. You have to know the how the human thinks and how the human behaves, what is the difficulties of human, and what is the current situations we have. And human enhancement systems, which is the related to the building the food systems and building the water systems, and like the we have the plenty of systems there, but we are focusing on the what are the mentally distracted peoples, and what are the building the environmentals environmental related to the SaaS apps, and what are the water systems and food systems, and related to the earthquakes and systems, and like that we have to build the career there. And that is the one of the massive part to career build there. And what this the human enhancement engineer what will do there? The human enhancement engineer will there do the plenty of things we were discussing one or two. There is a you have to predict the earthquakes, you have to predict the signals to the another port or flights, and you have to set the food systems, and you have to control the mentally difficult peoples with the relevant to the world, and you have to relevant to the how to talk to people and how to calm the people. That is the human enhancement system engineer there. And what is the third job, which is related to the planetary system engineer? Planetary engineer system, it is a not a frictional word, and it is relevantly going on this world, and which is the very difficulty role in the planet, and which is, this is the thing why the planetary role is very difficult. Means you have to understand the plenty of problems in the physics and complex problems in the biotechnology and neural networks, and you have to deep diving into the AI fundamentals, and you have to deep diving in the some kind of things you ever been done. Okay, you have to build the career, and means what are the skills you have to learn. We are related to the AI also in this field, and we have to learn the deep learning and with the fundamentals of the physics and the quantum computing and the how the biotechnology and neural networks and nanotechnology, and we are the top skills you have to learn. And but you have to learn this, means you have to commit your responsibilities with their capabilities of with your career opportunities. And what are these three jobs, and what are the pick up in you and becoming the incredible of these? And please please comment below. And I think this video helps to you, and who are using the apps, they cannot be added to the world, who can build the systems, who can understand the problems, who can dig out the bugs, and who can problem having the problem solving skills, having the communications, and having the great presentation skills. This is the matters, and we cannot dive into the anything. And I hope this video helps you a lot, and please like and share this video. It's helped me to create the new videos like this. And signing off.